Good morning, y'all. Happy Saturday to you. We are out here this morning going to do a little work in the garden. I'm fixing to go take care of the animals and introduce y'all to the newest member, who is our little kitty Maui. He's going to be our barn cat. So we will get started. Dennis is already out here watering this morning, taking care of that. Miss Rosie's out roaming. Going to try to get an early start before it gets too hot, and then we can enjoy the rest of our Saturday doing whatever we want or nothing. So let's go let these chickens out this morning. That sun's bright, isn't it? Let's see what's going on out here. Good morning, chickies. Good morning. Good morning. Everybody's loud this morning. Good morning, Maui. So in the evenings, we are putting Maui in the chicken coop. Good morning, Maui. Good morning, little buddy. Good morning. Good morning, girls. Everybody ready to go out this morning? Let's get that door up. Let you girls out. Hi, Meow Meow. Hello, little Maui. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Aren't you a sweet guy? We're going to get some scratch for the chickens. Did you drink all your water that's what's in your bowl? Looks like you did. Or you threw shavings in it. Well, come on. You can go out. Don't go up the tree, please. You'll climb about halfway up that tree. Let's get some scratch for the chickens. Good morning, ladies. Hey, Maui. Get it back on my bucket. No mice activity going on in here. Let's see, let's check water. Water's good. A little more feed than I want in there to entice them at night, but that should be okay. Check Maui's bowls. They are full of gross. So we'll get those cleaned up. I usually don't feed him a little bit during the day. If that's wrong, somebody tell me. First time with a cat here. Feed him a little bit during the day, not much, to try to get him to want to get some mice. We'll always leave him plenty of water out. So we will get him over here towards the garden because we've had a problem in the garden with mice. So stay along with us, y'all. I was gonna say I got one. Where'd Rose Pose go?
I don't know. I don't know if the camera can see, but this is my picking MacGyver. I got a bungee cord and put it around my neck.
I think we left this one too long.
Yeah, probably. So
It's
this
not...
way I can use both hands to pick. Pick cherry tomatoes.
And the camera should be able to see you. It should be seeing almost the entire garden right now. Rosie, where are you?
Some of the weeds in between these plants have just gotten away from us. It's that time of year where things are starting to poop out. Bad tomatoes. These little ones, I'm just going to drop them to the ground.
Let's see. That silk came out.
The what?
A piece of the silk came out when I pulled on it.
But they're not nowhere near fat.
They may not get fat.
Of course they won't get fat if you pick them.
No. I thought some of them just don't get fat.
Nope.
Some varieties.
They get fatter than what ours are.
Well, I thought Andrew said some varieties just don't get very fat.
Well, Andrew don't know anything about Southeast Tennessee.
He knows about Pennsylvania, huh?
Next year, I'm going to put, instead of growing these cherry tomatoes up the cattle panel straight up, we're going to put them on the arch ones. Because these suckers are probably
Get out of there, Maui.
at least 12 feet tall, and they're just laid over the top, which makes it difficult to pick them. So we're going to do it different next year.
Yeah, sure we are.
That goes back to another video we talked about keeping a notebook. Keep notes. Like, I don't like this, although we've done it this way for 2 or 3 years. I thought about just coming over here and whacking them off, the tops all the way off. I don't know if they would branch out sideways or what, but look at this.
This vine. Whew.
Now, I'm very careful picking these because last week we had quite a bit of rain, and too much rain too fast will make these tomatoes split. I don't want any of these split ones in my good basket. We'll just get smelly and yucky.
Green beans. Green beans.
Yucky, yucky, yuckies.
Got a lot of bad ones.
Yep. Well, if we don't come out here and knock them off, they just hang around.
Yeah. I bet Rosie's over there on the porch saying, somebody come feed me. It's past my breakfast time. Aw, broke that bean. Oh, man. I need you to mow in between these. Or weed eat or something.
Do you see the ones down in the bed that are sprouted?
No. I'll look. Oh, yeah, yeah. Hey, that was my foot, Maui. He's trying to sleep on everything, it looks like. The girls were ready to come out this
I know.
morning.
When I was over there watering, I could hear them.
Oh. They were like, hello. Maui can fit through the panels.
Oh, is that how she got out there, or he got out?
Well, he can fit through these panels.
Oh, I meant when you put him in here the other day.
Yeah, I'm not sure how he got out the other day.
Well, we want him to stay in here a little bit during the day to kind of help deter the rodents that we've got eating stuff.
So far, he has not earned his keep around here.
No,
except for
he's
being
just
cute.
a baby.
Yeah, he's still just a baby. It's not big enough yet. And if y'all can see, I think you should be able to see me, but we had some green beans just come up in the middle of the tomatoes. So we have.
And we just left them.
Yes, absolutely. Especially after I killed half of ours. We don't have to keep talking about that. There. In here. They have vined way down too. Down the trellis.
Kick the wheelbarrow.
I just stepped on the new growth, dang it. Sorry, honey.
Sorry for what?
I stepped on
You stepped on our cabbage?
the new planting. I was trying to avoid it. I'm a little off balance today. So I've kind of stumbled a few times. I hadn't shook off the effects of my nighttime medicine, I guess. I'm pulling these a little orange, but they'll turn in the next few days. These turn pretty fast.
Okay.
Did you get her done, babe?
Yep. Now I just need to move some of this dirt.
Yeah, there's all these cherry tomatoes here. I pulled some of them.
Will you get that hoe and go down the other side and pull some dirt out like I'm doing right here?
I sure will. Hey, like this?
Yeah. We're going to use it to pile it back up.
To heal the potatoes.
Yeah.
Got it. I seem to be pushing it back in there. Oops.
Okay, I'm going to go and get the potatoes.
All right, and you know where our knee pads are?
No, we're not going to need to crawl.
Okay. We're just dropping?
Well, as long as we make the eyes to the sky.
Oh, okay.
We've probably got more than we've got room
Or here?
to plant, so may have to find somewhere, another open spot to put a few. Yeah, I'll finish it if you want me to.
Am I going too slow for you?
Nope. Okay. There's our.
That other end doesn't have much dirt. Just, we might have to take a little bit of this or dig up with our hoe a little bit.
Oh yeah, right here's where I quit.
You want to try that and see if that pulls it better? You got it.
That's good. Okay.
Derek, can we keep track of what end is what?
Well, yeah, I mean, it's clearly we don't have as much area as the last time.
Uh-oh, he's digging the poop. Oh, no, he found a rock to play with.
So there are fingerlings.
Which are my favorites. Well, I love the yellows too, and we've still got a lot of red. So let's start with the fingerling and yellow.
Okay, so here's what you're going to do. Come up here. So I'm thinking if we do like here, then here,
Okay.
then here,
Oh, that far apart? Okay.
and then there.
They need to be that far apart?
Well, I mean, come a little closer. Bring this one a little closer. How about that?
Okay.
I mean, you don't have to color them like that, but I'm just...
I get you. Okay. You
Okay,
know
so-
I would. Color coordinate them. You know me. All right, so I'll take the fingerlings.
Okay, and I'll start this other end with regular reds.
No, I want us to do the yellows first.
I'm going from this end.
I'm just saying I don't want to run out of room because we've still got red.
Well, we're going to have to pick and choose.
Okay.
For sure.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get some yellows.
I think sometimes the yellows can be a little more versatile for me. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys a little bit closer up what we're doing, so that way you can see. So this is, we put some more green beans in, some bush green beans. They're starting to come in nice. These look like peppers almost. So Dennis tilled up a little bit right here, hoed up a little bit. He's gonna put a potato in the ground and cover it up.
These were just some extras from the other spot over there.
Yeah, we had a lot of potatoes. So dig a hole, cover it up, dig a hole, put the potato in, cover it right back up. So let's just give us some more potatoes this year to try to finish the year off and hopefully save us some through most of the winter time, I think, right?
Yep.
Should get us through most of the winter as long as we keep them stored very well. Maui's filthy and wet because I sprayed him for You're dripping sweat.
Oh, no.
I see it dripping, boo. See Maui over in the weeds over there. So in years past, let me just tell y'all, in years past, we did these kind of beds, right? We did the beds. We did them all the way around the garden, middle of the garden, just wherever. So this year, Dennis decided he wanted to go straight in the ground with some stuff. So that's the majority of our stuff is straight in the ground. It's our first year doing that. So I'm used to out here. Rosie, leave him alone. Rosie, thank you. So I'm used to out here there being grass. So we would come out and mow, weed dig, whatever. So you can see we have not done any weed eating in this garden this year.
No, because it kind of just spreads the weeds around. So,
but look at him climbing up that fence post.
Okay, move out my way.
Oh. So I stumble on all this where it's been tilled up and stuff. My feet don't do well on it. For some reason, I stumble every day. So y'all see me stumbling around, that's why, because I can't walk in this crookedness. All right. So what are you thinking, that the green beans are going to die out before the potatoes?
No.
No?
I think they'll be just fine.
Think they'll be good? All right. So what else is on our agenda for this morning?
Just finish spreading these leaves.
Spread the leaves.
And then we're done out here.
Praise Jesus, we're done. That means we get to shower and go have lunch and enjoy the rest of our day.
Yes.
All right. Well, y'all heard it here. We're just going to finish up with spreading leaves, and we are done for the day. We thank y'all for joining us. We hope you have a great Saturday or whatever day you happen to see this. Have a good one. We'll see you next time.